2016 Toyota Tundra 4WD truck. This pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. Enjoy the many extra comfort and convenience features included, such as satellite radio, navigation, premium sound system, multi-zone air conditioning, 4-wheel drive, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, wood grain trim, backup camera, tinted windows, power driver seat, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, power outlet. This is a top-rated dealer. Visit our dealership soon and start driving today.